guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to be making a splatter screen wreath, and I'm going to be using these flip-flops from Dollar Tree. So this is going to be a splatter screen flip-flop flower wreath, and I'm using the size 7/8 in the flip-flops. And I picked up this splatter screen from Dollar Tree. And I picked up this piece of foam from Walmart. It's just a foam half ball, 3.9 inch. So we're going to make a flower wreath using these flip-flops. First, you will want to take off the tags off of your flip-flops, and then I just place them around my splatter screen wreath. They're just sitting right on my splatter screen wreath. And this is 4 pairs of flip-flops in the size 7/8. So this is how it looks so far. And it's going to be a pretty big wreath. And then here's the foam in the center. And so I'm thinking about painting the foam next. And you could paint your splatter screen if you wanted to. You will also want to remove the strap off of your flip-flop. So you can use some heavy-duty scissors or something, and you just cut it, and then just pull out the pieces out of the back. Okay, you're going to want to take some wire, and we just cut this piece of 20 gauge floral stem wire in half. So you're going to need some wire and your hot glue gun, and we're just going to be using these 2 holes right in the bottom of the flip-flop to wire it onto the splatter screen. But I'm also going to, on the back, add a little bit of hot glue before I wire it on, so just be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. So I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue. And I'm going to line it up with the handle on this one, and make sure that your holes are on your screen when you glue it on. I'm just going to hold it for a little bit, and then I'm going to thread my wire through on each side and go to the back and give it a twist. So now I'm just threading the wire through on each side. Then I'm going to go to the back and give it a few twists. Okay, so I started with the left shoe, and now I'm using the right one. Same steps. I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue, and you could probably skip this option if you wanted to, because I think the wire will hold it, but I'm going to go ahead and hot glue it on, then I'll wire it on. So I'm using the left shoe, then the right shoe. Just make sure your holes line up so that you can wire it on your screen. Also, make sure that you do not glue your wreath down to your table when you're doing this. And this is how it looks so far, and I'm kind of using the foam half ball to kind of prop it up so that I don't glue it to the table. So this is how it looks with 7 flip-flops on it. And now I am going to add some leaves from these Dollar Tree picks around so I don't see the splatter screen quite as much. I just pulled off some leaves off of some floral picks from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to add a little hot glue and hot glue them onto the splatter screen. Make sure you don't glue your wreath down to your table. Be careful using your hot glue. And here's how it looks with a few green leaves added to it. My daughter painted this half ball of foam yellow for me, and now she's just going to hot glue it to the center of the splatter screen, and we are using Gorilla Glue hot glue and Gorilla Glue hot glue gun. And we'll just let that dry. And I just threaded a wire through the top of the splatter screen handle so that I could hang it up on my door. Okay guys, and this is how it looks. And my daughter and I had another thought. You could actually make this one where it's 2-sided, and on the other side glue the flip-flops in between the front side flip-flops, and it would look really pretty and really full. So we think it looks really pretty hanging right here on this shepherd's staff. So we may make a few to hang in our front yard. So we think it'll hold up pretty good outside too. So let me know what you think. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And also I would really appreciate it if you would share this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So just click the subscribe button below the video on the right. And if you want notifications, just click the bell and YouTube will notify you every time I upload a tutorial. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone's having a wonderful day and stay safe. And here's little Parker.